Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Roblox Error Code E01. Okay, first things first, ensure that there isn't any server maintenance or outage on Roblox. Wait for some time if there is maintenance in progress. You can check the server status at status.roblox.com. Also, make sure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. If your internet connection is poor, consider troubleshooting it. Resetting your router or even contacting your service provider can help. If you are using Roblox on mobile device and encounter E01, clearing the cache and accumulated data can help. Next is to make sure that your graphic drivers are up to date. You can update them by right-clicking on the Start button, Windows, or through the Apple menu, Mac, and selecting the appropriate options. However, if none of the troubleshooting methods really work, consider reaching out to Roblox support team. They can provide you with more specific guidance and assistance for your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Roblox error code E01. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.